Method to find the unknown matrix. Type 1. Ax equal to b. The unknown matrix is x. You want to find what is x. What you must do? I must remove that a from there. So what do you do? Pre-multiply by A inverse. So what will happen? A inverse AX equal to A inverse B. A inverse associative property, you can multiply any matrix first. So I interchange it. So I into X is equal to A inverse B. I into X is X only. I is like 1. Identity matrix. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now type 2. Type 2. XA equal to B. You got to find what is X. Post multiply by A inverse. So XA into A inverse is B times A inverse. Post multiply means from the end side you multiply. X into A inverse is BA inverse. X into unit matrix, BA inverse. X equal to BA inverse. Now this idea you have to tell me first. Okay, this is the whole thing. Directly you must tell me. Have you finished writing or still writing?
7 minutes.
Okay, I'll give time to. So first thing, AX equal to B. Where will this A inverse go? A inverse go in the first position. So X will be A inverse B. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Say equal to B. Now where will A inverse go this time?
Second position.
B. So X equal to BA inverse. Then if you have AXB equal to C, then A will go pre, B will go post. So X will be A inverse C B inverse. Is it fine? Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you practice once. Write down. X A equal to B. Write yourself the answer. AX equal to B. Write your answer. AXB equal to C. Write your answer. Write it yourself. Make X a subject here. Make X a subject. Make X a subject. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
First answer.
B A inverse.
B A inverse. Second answer.
A inverse.
A inverse B.
Third answer.
A
A inverse C B inverse.
Fine.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now look at this from here. So we wanted to find adjoint of A, correct? This is what we wanted to find. We started from here. In place of this A, we wrote adjoint of A. Then in place of this, I wrote adjoint. And I got determinant of adjoint of A into I. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes,
Now
sir.
make this a subject. Make this a subject like this one. Make this a subject. Adjoint of A is equal to A कहाँ पे जाएगा? A pre में जाएगा. This is a number, so you don't have to look at this. So it will be determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of A inverse. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
And your I is there, but I into anything is same thing only. So you don't write I also, no chalega. Now just put adjoint of A inverse this formula. And adjoint, determinant of adjoint of A, you know the value. So tell me what will become. So adjoint of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of adjoint of A is what? Determinant of A raised to n minus 1.
-1.
Adjoint of A's inverse is here. 1 upon determinant of A into A.
Okay.
तो एक power कम हो जाएगा. Determinant of A raised to n minus 2 into A. Have you followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Now
can
you
I
have,
write this?
yes, yes. No, it's already printed here. You don't have to write that. So I took this page. See here. Oh. See, it's all written here. First, what I did, once again, I'm explaining. Instead of B, I put adjoint of A. Then I transfer this to the other side. Remember, it will come pre-multiply I, it will come like this. Before I, it will come because it's pre. So we got this. That is, I multiplied both sides with adjoint of A inverse. Or in other words, I transferred it, I got this directly. Is this step clear? This is only one step which you may feel difficult. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Put the value of this, put the value of this, you got the answer. Even if you don't write this step, it's okay. Pre-multiplying that step is not required. If you have understood that how to bring to left to right and right to left. So these two formulas are very important. Adjoint of A. Then comes the determinant. What will be the determinant of adjoint of A? Naturally, it will be determinant of this. This will become determinant of A raised to n minus 2 raised to n into determinant of A. So this becomes determinant of A raised to n minus 2n square minus 2n plus 1. So determinant of A raised to n minus 1 the whole square. ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं. But very easy to do this. Adjoint of A's determinant is determinant of A raised to n minus 1. If you take one more adjoint, the become determinant of A raised to n minus 1 whole raised to n minus 1. Every adjoint will become power n minus 1. So determinant of A raised to n minus 1 square. That's exactly that you see here also. Any step not understood?
Understood, sir.
Every adjoint, if you put, the determinant will be obtained by taking the power n minus 1. एक बार है raised to n minus 1. 3 बार है तो raised to n minus 1 the whole cube आ जाएगा. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please pay attention to these points. Otherwise,